How to fix Pinterest validation error. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, you have to update your Pinterest application. So head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Pinterest. Open your app, and if you see update, update your app. Just in case you see open, it means your application is already updated. Leave that as it is and open up your settings. Here, scroll below until you see the option of apps. Then again, at the top right corner, search for Pinterest. Tap onto your application, scroll below and tap on Storage, then clear the cache. Once done, come back at the app info page, tap on Force Stop, tap OK. Now once you do so, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your Pinterest application, uninstall it, and again reinstall this application from your Play Store, and that shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.